Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add the mullions. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So what I want to do is to add mullions right here. So let's go back to architecture and then click on curtain grid. And we're gonna add a segment right here at the top. We're gonna add it 500 from the top, and then after that 700 from here. So 700 for the door, that's the size that I want, and then maybe 800. So just adding 3 or 2 more segments like this. Let's go back, or let's go right here at the bottom. As you can see, we can put 3, so 840 each, and then right here, so 3 of them. So that's done right there. And then let's go at the back, and then here we're gonna do the same thing, 500 at the top, and then 500 right here, and then 700 for the door. And then we're gonna place the door right here on this side, and then right after that let's divide it. So as you can see, it's snap. So here it's snap in the middle, and then you can snap it 1/3. So that one, let's undo that. And here I mistakenly add 1, so I just need to add there. So now everything is even. So we could go to mullion again, all grid, make sure it's 50 by 65, and then just select all of them, even right here and also here. And then after that we need to press escape, and then we need to add our door right here. So we need to go to insert, load family, and then go to doors, and we need to load this, insert wall signal glass, and then click open. So it's already loaded. What you need to do next is to hover onto this panel right here. As you can see, it's selecting everything, but what you need to do is click on tab, and then it will highlight that panel itself. So if that didn't happen, you just need to click on tab to go around or to select the correct panel. So once you selected that, click on your left mouse button, and then here we have system panel glazed, and then click on drop down, and we have the loaded door right here. Now it will be changed as a single glass door, but you need to change it to fine in order for you to see the handles. So that's the detail. In terms of the orientation, we need to go to level 2. We need to go to the plan, and then we can set up how we want it to swing or what way. So just by clicking on the flip, you'll be able to flip everything. And then after that, go back to 3D, and we need to select the one in the bottom. So click on tab. So this mullion at the bottom, of course you don't need that, so we could just remove, and then select this panel again just to see how it looks. And then we don't want any offset, so click 0. Sometimes it's automatic that it creates an offset, so you just need to go back and make that 0. So now we need to do that on this panel and then this panel as well. So click on tab, select that, go to drop down, select this door, let's fix that later on in terms of the orientation. So click on tab again, select it on your left mouse, click on drop down, select the door, and then we have the door right there. Go to level 2 to change orientation on both of them. So you can flip this, and then here we need to flip it on this side and then go to this side. Go to 3D, we need to select this panel or this mullion and then delete it. And then this panel again, you can click tab and then delete, and then double check if this is creating any offset, make it 0. So now we're good. We have those ones already added, and I'm happy with the way that looks. So next thing we're gonna do is we could change the roof style. So I changed my mind. I want to change it to slope. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the footprint right here, and I'm going to trim and extend from here, and then trim and extend from here. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and then I'm gonna click that. After this, select this. I'm just clicking tab so that it selects everything that I don't want to. Of course, you just need to add in to the things that you still need. So you need that part there. So that's edited already. We have this one. This is the look. We need to go to our south elevation. So click on south, and we just need to create a roof by extrusion. So I'm gonna click this one, pick a plane. I'm gonna select this wall right here. Level 3 offset, no offset, and then I'm going to slope it down. So right here, I can't remember if you need to go create a line or you need to create the whole thing. So let me double check it first. So yeah, you just need to create a line, as you can see. So let's undo that. So let me just extend it a little bit. I like my around 75 slope. I think that's good enough. We could pull it up a bit. We could extend that one later on once we're done. So that one is good. Let's create another one for the side. So pick a plane and select it right here, and then press OK. Create this one right here, and then this one should be 75. Just gonna lower it down a little bit, and we could extend that later on. As you can see, if we go right here, you'll be able to extend this one if you want. So in front, we're going to just give that one like that, and at the back, something like this. And then you can align it from here. So align, and then align it here, going there. So everything is same. But if you think about it, this part we could just pull it a little bit back. As you can see, we have that one right there already. So to fix all of this, we wanted to attach all the walls. So what I do is I select all of this, or you could even click on tab, but the tab is selecting others as well. So I'm just gonna manually select this part right here, Okay, so even here we could select that and then attach top base and select this. So now it's extended it and we don't need to do anything else. It connects everything right there, and we're gonna do it on this side as well. So now select this and even this one at the back, and then click on attach top base and select this. And now we just need to cover this part, so we have this look right now. So that's looking good. I like the way it shows our building or our house model. So next thing is, let's cover this one. You could use either wall as well, so depending on what you want. Probably I'm gonna use an exterior wall again, but add it like here. CS, attach it. Don't attach it yet, because what I want to do is I want to set up the height properly. So even here I'm going to add it, but not joining it yet. And I want to manually connect this, or we could just attach it on base like that, and then this one as well. Select the wall and then attach it. And then right now, as you can see, this one looks good. What it did is it basically base offset is level 3, and then that's correct, and we can actually just connect it now. So I'm gonna connect it like that, and then right here you can align it if you want, so that we don't need to worry about overlapping. But as you can see, this one is not letting us do it properly, so we're just gonna leave that. It's not something that is critical. And then here we're going to move it a little bit past here. And then here as well. And also what you can do is you can use model in place if it's not actually working out properly, because I know sometimes connecting it is troublesome and takes time. As you can see, of course I'm planning to clean it up much better, but as you can see, it's still giving me that issue that is not connecting properly. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and probably we'll see if that keeps on blinking if we set this one to Twinmotion and see how it looks. So what I have here is a roof. Let me double check the material. So clad white. I want to paint this one as probably asphalt shingles. Asphalt right there, and then on the top right here. And let's not forget to add a roof on top of this. So what I'm gonna do is go to level 1 and then just create a roof right here. It's probably going to be not on level 1, but we could just change it to level 2 and see, and we could just offset it. So as you can see, it's too much, but we can top offset, or maybe just base offset this. So level 1 and then offset it to probably 2000, and let's see how it looks. So now let's put 1500. That's too much. 1800. I'm gonna put this one to 1700. So that's good. And then paint it as well. The same thing. Just select this one right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it with a model in place, extrusion or sweep going around here to give it a metal rail, railing, not railing, but metal construction here. And then here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to model in place, and actually I'm just gonna do that in the next video. What I want to do is to extend this a little bit more. So I'm going to south elevation, and then I want to extend this more, maybe the same height as right here. I want to see that. So we have the kitchen right there. I think, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. What I want to do is maybe add a section right here for the top. We could extend this part. So go to south elevation. I'm going to extend this like that, and then maybe edit profile. I'm going to do it like this as well. I think that looks good. And then delete this, and then let's see how it looks. I'm gonna delete that, and then just add a mullion single on the top right there. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, that looks really good in terms of how I imagine it. We could do the same thing right here all the way to the top. I'm going to edit the profile, and then maybe I'm just gonna copy the same thing, same look as what we have on that. You can delete this and then click finish. This one got extended. We could delete this and then just add mullion single one at the top right there, and then we could just go do another segmentation, just one segment, just to change this up. There we go. Okay, so now just click on the mullion and just simply add those. There we go. And I think that looks good. And then we could extend this one a little bit more. And you can see the change in look with that. So that being said, let's continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.